You're watching Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this Editor X review, including resources and the Editor X website itself, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Editor X, a professional-grade website builder developed by Wix, is specifically tailored for web designers, agencies, and advanced users who prioritize pixel-perfect precision and extensive customization options. It effectively bridges the divide between traditional drag-and-drop website builders and platforms requiring full code, providing a powerful yet user-friendly environment for crafting responsive websites. A key strength of Editor X lies in its sophisticated design control. Unlike many other website builders, it empowers users with flexible grid layouts, customizable breakpoints, and fluid scaling. These features make it an excellent option for building highly responsive websites that seamlessly adapt to various screen sizes and devices, ensuring a consistent and polished look and performance across the board. Regardless of whether you're developing a complex portfolio, a business website, or a visually engaging e-commerce store, Editor X provides the necessary tools to achieve a professional, bespoke aesthetic. Furthermore, the platform incorporates valuable collaboration tools, essential for teams and agencies working collaboratively on projects. Editor X facilitates streamlined workflows by enabling users to assign roles, manage permissions, and communicate effectively, all within the platform itself. For e-commerce ventures, Editor X seamlessly integrates with Wix's comprehensive e-commerce suite, enabling users to efficiently manage products, process payments, and enhance the overall online shopping experience for their customers. Beyond design, Editor X offers a robust suite of built-in SEO tools, performance optimization features, and integrations with various apps for marketing, analytics, and more. While boasting advanced functionalities, Editor X maintains an intuitive interface with familiar drag-and-drop capabilities, making it accessible even to non-developers who wish to harness its power. It's important to acknowledge that Editor X possesses a steeper learning curve than typical website builders. Its extensive feature set might initially feel overwhelming for complete beginners. Therefore, it's ideally suited for users with some web design experience or those willing to dedicate time to learning its tools. In summary, Editor X presents a compelling choice for professionals and businesses seeking a website builder that offers advanced design flexibility and extensive functionality. It's a perfect fit for users who require complete control over their website's appearance and performance. Click the links in the description to delve deeper into Editor X and determine if it aligns with your specific website building needs. This review aims to assist you in deciding whether Editor X is the right tool to achieve your website goals.